Hi friend, welcome to the BM classes. This is Vishnu Mahanam, lecturer in English. Today I am going to teach you the fast approach of the plus 2 second year arts, science, commerce. My greatest Olympic prize. My greatest Olympic prize. Before we go to the subject matter, we discuss the meaning of this approach properly. My, that means mine, mine, or in Odia, ମୋର ମୋର greatest, greatest, that means the biggest or the greatest, ସବୁଠାରୁ ବଡ଼, greatest, ସବୁଠାରୁ ବଡ଼, Olympic, Olympic is a game, an athlete, all of you know that, like football, cricket, this Olympic is a game, athlete, where the some where different type of indoor and outdoor game are included. Olympic is an athlete. And prize is very much more important for an individual, much more important for a student, teachers, and any individual. Prize, we cannot purchase a prize from the market. Prize, पुरस्कार, पुरस्कार. Prize is such an important for every individuals. We cannot purchase prize from the market. So that before that, Jesse Owens, all of you know that the writer or the autobiographical writer writings of this approach, Jesse Owens is the writer of this approach, and this is small autobiographical approach written by the Jesse Owens. He has written about his own experience when he was attend the Olympic game in the year 1936, Berlin of Germany. At that time, the Olympic was very important for him, and how he achieved and how he participate in that game. He has described everything step by step in this prose section, in this autobiographical prose section, so that today we know about his experience, his real experience, and he has written about his own experience to share everyone with this poem, with this prose section. We can learn about the Jesse Owens properly. When he was an athlete, when he joined in the Olympic game, Berlin of Germany, at that time the Adolf Hitler was the ruler of that country. And in the welcome speech, he declared that, he proclaimed that means Adolf Hitler କହିଥିଲେ, ତାଙ୍କ ୱେଲକମ୍ ଭାଷଣରେ ସେ କହିଥିଲେ, except the Germany people, no person can own the gold medal in Germany, because Adolf Hitler was the ruler of the Germany, and he declared that no one can get gold medal in Germany except the Germany people, except Germany athlete. So that this student has become very nervous. से बहुत nervous हो जाइथिले and when he at an Olympic game he become very depressed and nervous. He was sharing his experience in this poem to us to know more about him. ठीक अच्छे स्टूडेंट आज आम केवल एतिकी पढ़ी यही वीडियोर पार्ट 2 देखापी प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट टू अपडेट विथ मी प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल टू नो मोर and join my classes free of cost. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.